Welcome to our journey exploring the most incredible man-made islands being constructed around the globe. From the shores of Dubai to the sparkling waters of the Maldives, humanity is leaving its mark, reshaping the very landscape of our planet with ambition and breathtaking engineering. These engineering marvels are reshaping our world in ways you wouldn't believe. Once barren stretches of ocean are now home to glittering cities, luxurious resorts, and even ambitious attempts to recreate the world in miniature. Join me as we journey to the far corners of the globe to witness these feats of engineering, these testaments to human ambition. For millennia, islands have held a special allure for humankind. Isolated, pristine, often teeming with unique life, they stand apart from the vast continents. But humans, ever restless, ever striving, have sought to emulate nature's grand designs. Across the globe, we've begun to witness the rise of artificial archipelagos, islands born not from volcanic activity or the slow accretion of coral, but from human ingenuity and sheer force of will. These man-made islands, often built on a scale that dwarfs their natural counterparts, serve a multitude of purposes. Some are havens of luxury and leisure, oases of opulence catering to a select few. Others are born of necessity, a solution to overcrowding or a lack of space. Whatever the motivation, these projects represent a bold new chapter in the story of humanity's relationship with the natural world. Our journey begins in the shimmering heat of the Arabian Gulf, where the city of Dubai rises from the desert sands. Here, jutting out into the azure waters, lies the Palm Jumeirah, an archipelago shaped, as its name suggests, like a stylized palm tree. From the air, its fronds, lined with luxurious villas and opulent resorts, unfurl in a testament to human ambition. The scale of the project is staggering. To create this artificial archipelago, millions of cubic meters of sand were dredged from the seabed, a monumental undertaking that transformed the coastal landscape. The Palm Jumeirah is more than just a feat of engineering. It's a symbol of Dubai's relentless drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. Not content with reshaping a single stretch of coastline, Dubai is also home to the world, an archipelago of over 300 islands painstakingly crafted to resemble a world map. Seen from above, it's a geographical jigsaw puzzle, a miniature Earth floating in the Persian Gulf. Each island, representing a different country or region, is a blank slate, a canvas upon which the wealthy and influential can paint their own visions of paradise. While the project has faced its share of challenges, the ambition it embodies is undeniable. The world stands as a stark reminder of humanity's desire to leave its mark, to reshape the planet in its own image. Across the globe, in the waters off the coast of Malaysia, another ambitious project is taking shape. Forest City, as its name suggests, aims to be a model of sustainable urban development, a green oasis in a region grappling with the challenges of rapid urbanization. Rising from the sea on reclaimed land, Forest City is designed to be a city in harmony with nature. Skyscrapers draped in greenery, interconnected parks, and a network of canals and waterways will, its developers claim, create a living, breathing urban ecosystem. Whether Forest City can truly live up to its lofty ambitions remains to be seen, but the project highlights a growing awareness of the need for sustainable development in the 21st century. Our final destination takes us to the pristine waters of the Maldives, an island nation facing an existential threat from rising sea levels. Here, on the island of Hulhumale, a remarkable story of adaptation and resilience is unfolding. Created by reclaiming land from the sea, Hulhumale is designed to be a model city, a safe haven for Maldivians displaced by the encroaching ocean. It's a densely populated, carefully planned urban environment, a stark contrast to the idyllic, low-lying atolls that make up the rest of the Maldives. Hulhumale represents a bold experiment, a glimpse into a future where island nations may have to adapt to survive. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey across the globe to witness the awe-inspiring creations of man-made islands. From the luxurious retreats of Dubai to the ambitious sustainability goals of Forest City and the life-saving haven of Hulhumale, These projects highlight the incredible ingenuity and daring of humankind. As we continue to shape and reshape our world, it remains to be seen what impact these artificial archipelagos will have on our planet. Will they become symbols of a harmonious balance between humanity and nature, or stark reminders of our relentless pursuit of progress? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.